Hey guys, what's up? It's Moz here and welcome back to another video. So I've made a ton of videos on how you can actually grow a channel, and even though you guys love them, I feel like they've gotten really repetitive, so I thought I would focus it down and just focus on Fortnite for this video. Hopefully you guys do end up enjoying it. Anyways, before the video does start, if you guys want to see more videos like this and like more tech related videos, then be sure to subscribe to the channel, turn notifications, comment below saying Noti Gang, and also comment below saying what season you started playing Fortnite. If you do that, you might get the next notification shout out, but anyways, let's get on with the video. Also be sure to hit that like button if you guys end up enjoying it too. Alright guys, so I want to open up this video by talking about the first tip, which is going to be networking, and I'm not talking about the typical networking tip that I've said in my other videos. It's going to be a bit more specific for that because we're just laser focused on Fortnite for this video. If you make normal Fortnite content like insane gameplays or building and creative and things like that, then there's a pretty good chance that you're probably grinding for some Fortnite team out there, whether it's like Evade or BH or Nova, whatever it is, you're probably grinding for something. And if that's true, there's a pretty good chance that there are other people who are just like you out there grinding for those exact same teams as well. So what I would recommend that you guys do is go on sites like Twitter and Instagram and search for the recruitment challenges like hashtag. And the reason why I'm saying that is because you can actually go out of your way and try becoming friends with some of the other people who are also trying to join these teams too. So some examples I can quickly think of off the top of my head is like Phase 5, that's a really popular one, that's been around for years, Evade Academy, which just started up. I think Nova RC is also one, so basically just go through that on Twitter. I might show something on the screen right now, and just respond to some of those tweets saying like, hey man, good luck on your recruitment challenge, or hey man, maybe we should play sometime, hey man, dope clip, something like that. If you just say something like that, you can probably build a relationship out that. Because at the end of the day, building those relationships is gonna get you that extra viewer on your videos and probably like that extra follower on Twitter or Instagram or whatever social media you use. Also, while you guys are on Twitter and Instagram, please follow me. I will have it in the description below and also on the screen right now. I would appreciate it a ton. I always respond to everyone who tweets me. But anyways, on to the next tip. Alright, so for my next tip, this is one that shouldn't only apply to just like Fortnite creators, but it should also apply to like any kind of YouTuber. And the tip is that you should always ask yourself if the video that you just made is something that you yourself would have watched if you were the viewer. So here's a list of questions that I definitely think every creator should ask themselves when they're uploading a video. Was my thumbnail cool or eye-catching? Do I have an interesting title that looks good? Is my video short enough to the point where my viewers won't have to spend too much time watching it? Now, these are only just a few questions that you should ask, but if the answer is ever no, or like if it doesn't match up with what you think it should, then you definitely need to go back and fix it. So whether it's like watching more thumbnail tutorials on how to make better ones, or learning how to make a better title, or even just cutting up your video even more so that it's not too long for your viewers, you need to go back and do all that because that's what's going to get your viewers and that's what's going to get the clicks as well. One tip I have for Fortnite YouTubers as well is don't make your videos too long. Like 10 minutes is probably the max that you should ever do. The only time that videos usually do well if they're above 10 minutes is one, if the channel that's uploading them is like a trend channel or like a compilation channel or something, or two, if you already have like a really strong and established fan base. So until you have that, I don't think you should be like forcing like 10-minute plus videos because most of the time the watch time just won't be good because most viewers won't be making it all the way to the end because they're just there for a bit, you know? Moving on from that, I do want to say that it's not bad to try looking at what works for other creators and trying to implement it into your own channel, whether it's like death runs or creative maps, even like free building or like just random gameplays, whatever. You just have to add your own spin to it. And I'm not talking about like cranking 90s, that's an awful joke by the way, I'm just saying it right now, but it's pretty clear that every YouTuber, no matter what, will always take inspiration from someone else, and I don't think that's wrong at all. Let's say for example that you decide to do a death run because those are insanely popular on YouTube right now. If you try that and play the same map that someone else played, use a different kind of thumbnail and a different kind of title when you actually upload your video because that way your video is going to stand out way more to the viewer when they're picking what video they want to click on. I'm sure both of us know right now, if you see two videos that look very similar to one another, you're probably always going to click the one that has more views. So this way, if you actually find a way to actually like stand out more, the viewer might click on both videos or they might just click on yours too. It depends. So you definitely got to put the work in over there. It's okay to get inspiration from someone else for your channel, but just find a way to add your own spin to it because copying other creators isn't the best thing to do, and I promise you the creator that you're copying from will know that you copied from them. Even I myself notice when people copy my thumbnails and my ideas and things like that, and it's just not a good way to build a relationship with someone that you might look up to. So don't copy someone, but it's okay to get like inspiration from them if that makes sense. Now the last thing that I want to mention is that you should have a strong mindset if you make Fortnite videos and you actually want to build a career off of it. Fortnite is probably one of the biggest things that's ever happened on the internet other than Minecraft, and because of that, everyone is trying really hard to make it in the scene by making YouTube videos and streaming and things like that. So just know that it's not going to be easy to make it by just making like Fortnite content on YouTube and Twitch and all that good stuff, but it's not impossible at the same time. Fortnite is honestly just harder than other things on YouTube, and I can tell you that straight up, but if you truly just put in your mind that you're going to make it no matter what, then there's a pretty good chance that you will actually make it. You will have to upload daily or at least every other day to actually get that consistency on your channel and actually get ahead of your competition, because if you think about it, if you're making videos on probably the most popular game that's ever came out other than like Minecraft, then you're gonna have a lot of competition on YouTube. If you only upload 4 times a month and you're just starting out and other people are uploading every single day, then they're probably gonna pass you up, and you really can't complain about that. If you upload consistently, then YouTube will notice it, and they're definitely going to push you more to other people and actually recommend your videos and your channel more to other people as well, and you're probably going to grow from that. Also, if you keep uploading when you see other people getting demotivated, or if they start getting inconsistent or lazy and things like that, then there's a really good chance that you're going to pass them up, and there's a really good chance that the team that you're actually grinding for is going to start noticing you as well. In reality, this does apply for basically every YouTuber, but if you're always thinking about growing your channel in every single minute of free time that you have, then you're probably going to make it. Like, I know that for a fact. Like, the people watching this video right now are already on the right track. Like, you went out of your way to find out how you can actually grow your channel further, and if you did that, then it's pretty clear that you're determined to actually get this done. So anyways guys, that is it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, then be sure to drop a like, and also please subscribe and turn notifications if you guys do want to join the Noti gang and want to see more videos like this. I make them pretty often, at least like once or twice a month, so if you want to learn how to grow your channel or learn about tech and things like that, then definitely subscribe to my channel. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.